I no longer entertain.
Hi guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make the animation or the effect that was shown on the earlier video. So a lot of you guys saying that it was actually hard, but actually it's not that hard. So let's start. Okay, so here you can make a index HTML. Yeah, there you go. And then type in doc. So this doc will fill all the boilerplates on the HTML. Yeah, there you go. And after that, we're going to need a extension that was called live server. And if you guys don't have it, just install it here. Then going back on the HTML, and we're going to make a div and has a class name of container. So this container, this is the wrapper of all the items inside of all the items. Okay, and let's open. And then actually we don't have a items, so let's go back. After that, make a box. Let's name it box. And another div. Let's name it the animated text. So this animated text will be the text that is centered on the design that was shown on the earlier video. So this one. Yeah. So let's have a list of names. Name, and then let's have it a class name of line, and then let's make it 3. Yeah. Let's rename this one sample. And then after that, we're going to make another div on the inside the box class name. Inside this class name, the box. And this one is for the items that was rotating beside or the side of the container or the box here. Yeah, the background. And then let's name it the container, diamond container. Yeah. I'm not good at namings, and that's why uh, if you look at here, it's just a sample name, and the container. I'm not good at naming. So yeah, and another div for on the inside the diamond container, and then the diamond itself, the item, and we're going to import some images here over here. If you guys want it, I'm going to link it on my GitHub account so that you can get these assets in the O file, and just make the image tag here and link the path of the image, a diamond. There you go. So I think that's pretty much it for this HTML. And after that, we're going to make a style.css. Style.css. And let's link it here. Link style shit. And href. Then the style.css. So let's take a look at it. So as you can see, guys, it has no design. So we're going to design it later on. So this is the diamond. These are the names inside the this animated text, and this diamond is inside the diamond container and this image. Okay. So after that, so first we're going to have a margin of 0 here, and padding of 0 as well. And then let's target the actually let me copy this one, the keyframes for this transition, the animation I mean. So let's copy this one, and then all of these are the keys of the animation that we wanted to make, the rotating animation. And after that, let's target the container and have it the background of black. Black. Okay, there you go. Let's have a background of black. After that, a width of 100 view width and a height of 100 view height. View height. Inside the container, let's target the box. Let's have it the property of flex, display flex, and align item center. And then justify content center. So it all of this, the animated text and the container will be centered. So there, you can see here it's all centered. So after that, we're going to have a background image of the background image that I have on my folder, the bg.png. And after that, we're going to have a background no repeat and a background size of cover and width of 900 pixels and height of 900 pixels as well. So guys, you can actually customize the size. It is basic, and have the animation of rotation 5 seconds, infinite, linear. So guys, this rotation is this one. The keyframes of rotation is this one. So I'm basing on this rotation. And after that, we're going to have a position of relative and top of negative 170 pixels and left of 170 pixels as well. And inside the box, so the box has two items, the animated text and the data container. And we're going to target the animated text. And let's give it the animation of a reverse. So the reverse one, this one, we're going to have a reverse property animation of this one. And let's have it in 5 seconds, linear, infinite, and color of white as well. Background of I think aqua. Let's just make this aqua. And then padding of 0 for the y-axis and then 40 pixels for the x-axis, and height of 60 pixels, and overflow in. And inside the animated text, the list of line that we have on the animated text, this and we're going to have a text transformer of uppercase, so that all of the titles, I mean the names or the text inside this one, will have a uppercase or capitalization. Text align center, so we can center them. Actually, it's already centered, but I want it to be centered more. Yeah, and then font size of a 40 pixels. Let's give it 40 pixels, and then line height, not line style. Line height of 60 pixels. Yeah, there you go. And after that, let's target the line, and then the first child of this line. I mean, of this text, the name. So if I type in second child, it will target the sample, and if the third child, it will target these. Let's make a 3 and a 4. After that, we're going to have the animation here. Animation of anim, and 12 seconds, infinite. So this anim will be based on this one. So if it is a 0%, it will have a 0 margin top, and if it is a 16, negative 60 pixels. If it is a 33%, 120 pixels, negative 120 pixels. And that's pretty much it on the animated text container. So after that, we're going to go to the D container. Let's target the D container. Let's target the D container and have the animation of reversed, and 5 seconds as well, and linear infinite. So again, this reverse is this one. It will be based on this one, the keyframes reverse. and position of a relative, and a top of 50 pixels. 50 pixels, and 120 pixels for the left side. So this relative will be, I mean, oh, I'm sorry, it's absolute. Well, this absolute will be the back's class will be this one. This will be the parent, and then this one will be the child, because it's inside of the box, and I want them to like a overlap like that. Okay. So after that, let's check. Okay. So after that, we're going to target the diamond itself, the image or the yeah inside this one, the diamond class, and let's give it a animation of um actually it's Y, it's rotating Y. So we're going to have a property here of Y rotation and 0.1 seconds linear infinite. So it will be rotating on Y axis like this. So it's actually messed up, but let me fix it. It's actually messed up. So let me fix it. So it's actually okay. The live server is just messing with me. So you just need to reload the browser and then it will be good. So that's pretty much it for my tutorial. I'm sorry it did take long. So yeah. See you on the next video. Bye.